Good morning, guys. Today it's been a rough week for me. I'm just gonna go get changed real quick. So, I think I'm gonna wear this for today. Wear this little hat because I don't feel like going out today. I'll make the kids some breakfast. And if y'all are new to the channel, I have a lot of kids, and I live in this huge mansion by myself. I've went through a lot. And by the way, this is my first Token World video I have posted, so sorry if it's not as you expected. There will be another part. Good morning.